Take it down now. Don't worry now. So it's a secret out. So big things we will see now. Oh, see, sorry. So you use it for what? Why did you bring? Call. Mobile only now. Then mummy will call now. Keep in your bag, all of you. Inside the bag. Don't be okay. All of you don't be. One game. There. This girl. Aditi, where did you go? Huh? You did not tell anyone in the family. When did you come back? How was the Europe? All good now? Nice. Enjoy. What did you bring? Huh? All right. Oh, good evening to you. Good evening, sir. Who's sitting here? Very lovely. Who started? You're sleeping now. We're getting, sleepy, you're sleeping. What was the homework? 3.2. What is 3.2? Extra questions are supposed to do. Daily 10 sums here to do. Hello. Daily is good enough to open now. Daily 10 sums you are supposed to do now. At home. So we'll write it up here how much. Mr. Pandey. Hariman Pandey. So what did you do in come? What homework done? Which exercise? 3.3 is done and come. That's all. What did you do and come? Where? I'll take it out. You 3.3. What this girl has done? She's searching. You did. What did you do? Huh? Not done. All our home. What is this? This one, 6 lines. Who drawn this one? Good. Same got bench and drawn. Where is your homework? Huh? What is the name? Forgot your math not good.
Not forgot, I'm not transfer.
That's so where it is. At home only now. You are not, I'm not seeing any homework from you. This is common, continuously going on. I think Shreya, next time I have to call your parents. I lost means you could do it in another book now. You're done book. You're done. All done. You all completed now. All the ring is completed now. What will you do there? Done. Sit down. You're done. Where is supposed to be? Because we have to take come here.
Wait, you said that you expect
What is you're done when you not some
Cheating.
come here. Where is the homework? This is the homework. Graph wala. Paso.
So,
Graph we don't know how to draw.
there's a graph.
Then where is it? Yours where is it? Homework not done. School started. Why? What is your? Where? Are you open? So, right. A. This is the fourth to that class here, you know. This is the one. A. Show me the question. And the girls are not showing, girls sit down. Girls are showing for. Yeah. Put it on me. Where? What did you do? ACP. Now. Where did you go? What is it?
That is not here.
What is this? No, no, you now I'm waiting for you. Explain me why did you want to be? Let's stand up. Bring your notebook here. Quickly. Please, I am waiting for you. Okay. He's searching. Teach me that done now. Homework, your homework. Then what is searching? You only did. So then what do you, why you are looking here and there? Not done the homework. Here, then show and reason. What happened to you? Now, today, next day onward, listen. What is drawing here? Who is this? Huh? Yours only? This is going on. Shifting is going on. 10 times coming here and are coming. Sit down. All of you listen here. All of you. Daily basis, I need tens. Move on there. Daily basis, I need to see 10 sums. I will not waste this way. Where here, where and all. Not that when I come over here, you will open, start opening. When I come over here, sir, done. Where? Open the book. What is it? And all. Keep the book open and see. And if it is not there, means I will keep you over here. After 6:20, I am here. We have ICC classes are there. I'll keep you behind. Till 8:30. Prepare. You. Shreya. Everyone, inform your parents. I am telling you. To you also. She's already listening. Okay. Now you will ask daily 10 sums. No. What daily 10 sums to do? First is your homework. Whatever the homework is there, count the number of sums. If I given 10 sums means balance 10 sums you do from the other chapters. Whichever chapter we have done over here. Okay, we are done. How many chapters are done? Three chapters. From there you start revising. Okay. From where to do the question? You can start from the NCRT. If NCRT is completed, UT volume. UT volume is also completed if you have any reference to it. Otherwise, redo that. Is it clear? Pakka? Okay. And next class onward, daily basis 10 sums I need to see. It is not that you will come and go. That is it. Huh? It can. Why it is? So, take the book. Any doubts or difficulties is there? Doubts or difficulties? Whatever. You have a problem. Arey, tell na if any. Aditi, you know which chapter we are doing? When you your trip, which chapter we were doing? Polynomials over. Then what is over? Quadratic equation. Coordinate geometry is over. Now we are doing the lines and angles started. Yes or no? Okay. Hello, Shreya. I am telling you, practice studies are not going to be. Okay. Hello, Hello. Let's listen. We last class we were discussing about line. All of you know how to draw. Now, show me the graph papers. One graph. Open the graph. You are drawing anything. Only one graph drawn. And why drawn? Huh? That why did you take it that drawn now? You know, graph drawing. You know, even this is okay. Not very neat. You line and on one line. Okay, keep the scale. You have a scale. That length. Take give a scale. This much scale, long scale also not needed. Short scale. Nobody got a scale. I'll take out this. Whereas next is your seat will be this side here. These girls will be there. Then I will see what we do. Now look, you just keep where required. Okay, one line. That's all. Not this way, keeping then shifting and all. Okay, and one line. What is required is kept over there. Draw the line once enough, and automatically because you people darken it, then again it won't look properly. The graph should look neat and proper. Okay, you don't need to do anything. You kept the scale, check is it properly kept on the line. Okay, draw one finish. Here another one finish. Okay, I have seen some of the graphs are worse than the rough one. Nice. Yes. Oh. What do you do? 4 minus 1. Okay, minus 7. All right, listen all of you. Oh, one more thing in the graph I forgot to tell. Listen all of you. How many points I wrote? 4 points. Have you seen anything special over here? Or 1 more, 5, 6 one.
This is on 2.
Y axis or Y coordinate. Y coordinate is 2. Means Y coordinate is also known as ordinate. Ordinate is 2. All of them are what Y coordinate is same. Do you know what does it mean? Always it's a straight line only, but why is there anything? Hello, hey, turn this side. You want to tell me? If you plot these points, can you see this one? Suppose every Y value is equal to 2. So if I draw this, this is 5, 2 is somewhere. Let's say it is 5 means this is 1, 2 means 5, 2. Then this is minus 7, 2 means here it is minus 7 means minus 7. 3, 2 means here let's say 3 means 3, 2. 5, 2. 7, 2. 2, 2. Have you seen anything not kissed? Straight line. Straight line. Okay, join this one. Straight line. Parallel to x-axis. See, it is parallel. If y coordinate is same means it will be a straight line parallel to x-axis. Means if a points on the line parallel to x-axis, y coordinate will be same. If I take this one, suppose 3 comma, let's say as 1, 5 comma 1, minus 5 comma 1. Okay, that is what it is. 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma 0. Okay, all these, what is remaining same? What is remaining? X coordinate. So x coordinate is 3. So this is 3 means 3 comma 0, then 3 comma 2, then 3 comma 1, then 3 comma minus 1. If I join this one, all these points will lie on the same, and it is parallel to which axis? Y axis. So that means whenever the point is on the line which is parallel to which axis? X axis, y coordinate will be same. When it is parallel to y axis, what coordinate will be same? X coordinate is same. If x coordinate is same, means that the line will be parallel to which axis? Opposite y axis. Y coordinate is same means it is parallel to x axis. That which you keep in mind. Okay. You are feeling called yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Who is feeling called? Who else feeling called? Whatever. Okay. Oh. We were talking about last class about line we discussed, line segment we discussed, yes or no? Ray we discussed, angles we were started about to discuss, and then the time got over. All of you can close your volume. No need to keep something inside the book. Remove that one. Close the one, keep 2-3 things over there. Whenever it's required, I will tell you. Okay? Yeah. Shreya, stand up. Give the name of this angle. Angle ABC. Any other name? BC. Angle is BC. Angle CBA. Any other name? Angle BCA. Any other name? You said ABC, CBA, BCA. Anything else? How about BAC? BAC also. How about CAB? CAB also. Yes or no? Everything is angle. Yes. You sit down. Gurpreet, stand up. Tell the name of this angle. Any other name? Fast. This much time I don't know. Then you people are looking at the man sitting. What? Look at the figure and tell. Huh? Huh? CBA. Any other name? Okay. Sure. Now man stand up. Tell the name of these angles.
Angle ABC, angle CAB.
CAB.
CBA.
CBA. 3 you said. Or only 3. How about BAC? How about ACB? ACB? ACB also. Everything is possible. Is it or not? Now listen. Sit down. All of you listen. B is called the vertex. What is B is called? Vertex. And BA and BC are called the arms of the angle. Are you followed? With this vertex, how many angles are there? With this vertex B, how many angles are there? Who's the 2? There is only one angle. Yes or no? There is only one angle. I can make lot of angles over here. Now, with this vertex, one angle. So always, when you write the angle, the name will be either 3 letter. How many letters will be there? 3 letter. You will write angle ABC. But the middle letter should be always vertex. So C, is it C is the vertex? No. Is C is the vertex? Yes or no then? No. So C will not come in the middle. Is it A is the vertex? What is it going on? Humming is going on. Keep the pen down. Listen. Is it A is the vertex? No. So if you want to write this can be written as angle CBA. Is it true or not? CBA. Or if it is only B also you can write. Angle B. Because with B there is only one angle. These are the three ways. Understood? These are the only. The letter vertex should be always in the middle. This much is clear? Pakka? Okay. Now I'm going to ask one by one. Different angles you can see now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All the letters, can you see? You can read all the letters? Yes or no?
Yes.
Violet standard. I'm going to mark one angle. You have to tell what is the name of that angle.
Angle DOE.
Angle DOE. Another name?
Angle EOD.
Another name?
Angle O.
Angle O is not. With this vertex, how many angles are there? Only one angle? Lot of angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even I can take this as an angle. This as an angle. There's a lot of combinations there. So only either DOE or EOD. All of you followed? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Angle COD
Hmm.
or DO angle DO.
Sit down. Yeah.
Angle BOA or angle AO.
AOB or BOA. Sit down. Okay. Pass.
Angle AO.
Huh?
Angle AOD.
AOD or angle DOA. Are you followed, all of you? Okay, so when it is marked, sit down. All of you now I will give the name. Now, and let me see. Angle AOB. Have we identified? Yes or no? Angle BOC. Sorry, AOC. Have we identified? Those who know, what is the sum of these two angles, AOB and AOC? Those who know, those who know, raise a hand. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 180. How did you get 180? Huh? You? 90. How did you get 90? You? 90. That is a straight line. Have we seen, all of you seen angle AOB? Come and mark what is AOB.
Angle AOB.
Mark. Mark angle AOC.
Angle AOC.
Where is the straight line is coming? Sum of these two. Okay, these two. If you're adding, do you know what is it sum of these two? I don't know. Go on. Anyone? This plus this will be equal to full. What is it? Angle BOC. How did you get it to 90? How did you get it? Look like it was. It is not look like. Is it given? Are you followed? Look here. Angle AOB plus angle AOC is equal to angle BOC. All of you followed?
Yes.
Pakka. Are you tell yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
So next one. Naman. What is the sum of these two? Standard. Others look, not only Naman, others look and try to identify it. Did you get? Shraddha. AOD. COD and AOC. It is AOD. Sit down. It's very difficult to look over there and identify. This is COD. and this is C is also summing the full. Are you followed? Okay, understood or not?
Yes.
Sit down. Yeah. Next. UE. No, not able to. Is the answer? No.
Angle AOE minus
Ang-
angle C.
Angle AOE minus. Yes, Aryaman. Yes,
Sir, angle AOE
angle AOE.
minus angle C.
Another one. Yeah. Angle AOE. Angle AOE.
EOE.
EOA. Well, look here. It cannot be added. How will you add? AOC is this much only, na? What is EOE? This and this will be gone away. How AOE has come? There's no value. How did you this and this only, na? This part is there. No. What is angle AOE? That is the sum of three angles you can see. AOC, COD, EOE. Understood all of you? You have to be careful. Okay? Simply don't tell. I wrote something that she was telling what she was going to tell is correct. AOE minus EOD. That is okay. Okay. Understood all of you? Parth, Bharat, followed or not?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Okay. Huh? But you mark this one, no, look here. Suppose if it is done. If adding sum of these two, then it will be full. If I add this and this, can you add these two? You cannot add these two because a part is left out now. So you cannot add. Suppose if I add all these three, then it is the full one. This plus this is the complete. Are you followed? Okay.
What will the answer be?
Huh? This one. So then you have to write now. A, let's say B, C, D, E. Now, which one? If you
So
what?
angle ABC plus angle.
CBD plus DB is equal to angle ABE.
No, sir. Angle ABC plus angle DB.
That you cannot add. If you want to write, you can write angle ABE minus angle CBD.
The answer will not.
You cannot add that one. Understood? No problem. Okay. Hope you have followed. Okay, that is the one. Next is addition. All of you followed? Addition, subtraction, and all. Like that. Over here. What is AB plus BC?
AC.
AC. Gurpreet. Stand up. What is BC plus CE? Huh? BE. Raman, what is BC plus CD?
So BC.
BC plus CD.
Sir, DD.
BED. This much time you need. What is AB plus DE? Cannot be added. And AB plus DE cannot be added. Sit down. Okay. Now. So this is angle name. Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of acute angle? Those who know, raise the hand. Those who don't know, raise the hand. Okay. What do you mean by acute angle? Tell fast. Don't know. Don't waste my time. This I asked me to then you why did you raise the hand? Yes. What is acute angle? Then why did you raise the hand? I asked you, sir, to raise the hand. Simply don't raise the hand. Yes, what is acute angle? An angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree. How much? Less than 90 degree is called acute angle. What angle? Acute angle. There, no, everything. Okay. What do you mean by right angle? Measurement is equal to 90 degree. How much? Measurement is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle.
More than 90.
Still where? 1000 degree. Then
Less than 180.
More than 90 but less than 180. Should I make you to write all these?
No,
No, sir, but you don't. You know, Pakka. Okay, acute angle means less than 90 degree. Right angle means equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree but less than 180. Have you heard about reflex angle?
Yes, sir.
What is the reflex angle?
Sir, then I
More than 180 but less than 360 degree. Are you followed? More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. That is called reflex angle. Have you seen it's marked? Okay. Yes. Gurpreet. Identify which is the obtuse angle. Name. Angle PQR is the obtuse angle. What is the right angle?
will be
DEF. So it is marked over here. This is called right angle. And this one is the acute angle. There is an angle marked over here. Yes or no? What is this angle name called? There is an angle marked over here now.
Angle B.
Angle B. Reflex angle. This is called reflex angle ABC. Side. Understood or not? Whenever this is marked over here, this is obtuse angle. If I mark opposite, what is the meaning of this one? Reflex angle PQR. Are you followed or not? How it is marking? What happened? Fell down? You're okay. Are you follow? Are you fine? Huh?
Sir, is this step?
He is not disturbing. I'm thinking he is quietly doing a sitting only. What disturbance he did? What disturbance? These all things I don't need to make you to write all of you. Have you heard about the next word? Adjacent angles. That's what it is. In Europe, this was adjustment. Here, in Cargill, this is adjustment. People are two actions. As you want to tell, yes, 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 nobody. Okay. Huh? Closed, huh? Closed angle, what is closed angle? Closed angle, open angle, nothing.
because line will be opposite sides of
Angle side, opposite sides are
okay.
very shape.
So which have one way in common?
Huh?
Which have one way in common?
Write down. Open the notebook. Open the notebook. Meeting. Meeting the bond with break. Right. Acute angle. Acute angle. We can write less than 90 degree. Acute angle, right? The line you put on. I don't need to give all full name. Acute angle. Less than 90 degree. Okay. All right. Till where 0, okay. Less than till 0 to 90. Then right angle. Right angle. Equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle.
So is adjacent angle charge up to 180 degree?
No, wait, that's you right. Obtuse angle. What is it? More than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree. more than 90 but less than, but write that also. Reflex angle much more than 180 but less than 360. More than 180 but less than 360. Written all of you? Yes or no?
Yes.
Straight angle. Have you heard about the word straight?
Sir, 180 degree.
Oh.
Equal to 1.
Straight angle equal to 180 degree.
So then it will be considered a line.
Straight line. That is why it's straight angle. Straight angle means it will be a line. This is called straight angle. Understood or not?
Zero.
Zero angle means what? Measure is equal to 0 degree. Complete angle 360 degree. If I draw this way, this one, A, O and B both, this is 0 angle. If I take this one means what angle? Complete angle. Okay, angle around a point. Do you know what is angle around a point? Angle around a point. Do you know what is 360 degree? Okay, that's what will come. Do you know what you mean by complementary angles? What 90 degree? That is right angle. No? Within 90 degree. What is within 90 degree? Within and without 90 degree. Hello. She lettered it. No? Right. Complementary angles. Right.
Complement and supplement.
First you have complementary angles. Sum of two angles equal to 90 degree. 90 degree, you know, but the next word Aditi forgot. How many angles? Sum of two angles. Generally two only. Complementary angles means two angles whose sum is equal to 90. Complementary angle means sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. For example, what is the complement of 30 degree? 60 degree. How did you get? 90 minus 30 or 60 plus 30 is 90. What is the complement of 45? 45 itself. Complement of 89? 1 degree. What's the complement of 100? There is no complement. R is more than it should not be. Okay, there is no complement for more than 9. Okay. Supplementary angles. All of you know. Now you should know. Sum of 4 angles. Supplementary angles. Sum of 2 angles is equal to right now. Supplementary angles. These only studied in 6th and 7th or something. Oh, you oh, you studied. First standard nobody studied, no?
Just
Sum of the angles equal to 180 degree. But now you should know whichever the class you study. Okay? This much all of you written. Now write below right. Heading as right. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Written? Right. Adjacent angles. Below right. Two angles are said to be adjacent. Two angles are said to be adjacent. SAID said to be adjacent if they have three conditions. One, common vertex. Common vertex. Second, common arm. Third,
If there are 3.
not 3. These are the 3 conditions. One is common vertex. They have common arm. Third one, non-common arm. Non-common arm are on the different sides of the common arm. Non-common arm are on the different sides of the common arm. non-common arm are on the different sides of the common arm. Written all of you? Written? Now look here carefully. How many angles are there in this figure? 2, 3. Finally, 2, 3. 3. AOB, BOC, AOC. Okay. I take AOB and BOC. Have you seen AOB and BOC? Whether do you identify? Did you identify AOB and BOC? Okay, what is the vertex of AOB? O. What is the vertex of BOC? O. Therefore, they have a common vertex. Yes or no? No. Shraddha, what is the common arm between AOB and BOC? B. Common arm. B is a point. AOC, arm. AOC is an arm. Do you know what I mean by arm? A. OB. Look here, AOB. What is the vertex of AOB? Oh. Look here, what is the vertex of angle AOB? O. What are the arms of angle AOB? OA and OB. For angle BOC, what is the vertex? O. What are the arms? OB and OC. Understood or not? So if you take both of them, what is the common arm? OB. Are you followed, all of you? Yes or no? Pakka? Oh, very good. Okay, now next is, which are the non-common arms? OA and OC. They are on the opposite sides. See? Either side. Yes or no? Not on the same. Non-common arm or on the, what is written? Opposite side of the common arm or different sides. What is written over there? Different sides. See, this is one side, this is another side. So this side you see now. Look here. If I draw a ray, A, B, C, D. Okay, E. Where is A, B, and E? On the same side. C and D, same side. A and C, different sides, opposite sides. B and D, opposite sides. B and D, opposite. B and D, same side. Understood or not? Okay, that is the way to identify. Same side, different side. Okay, so are we followed? Now, if I write this one, angle AOB and angle AOC. Have you seen AOB and AOC? Have you seen AOB and AOC? Why are they sleeping? Or sleeping baby? Are they adjacent angles? Are they adjacent angles? Huh? Are they adjacent angles? Reason? Common? Stand up there. Did you read AOB and AOC? What are the arms of AOB? OA and OB. What is the arms of AOC? That is not common. Is not common for both. Okay. So why it is not adjacent angle then? They have a common vertex. They have a common arm. Third property, non-common arm. They are on the same side or different side? They are on the same side, but the point should be in different sides. Are you followed? These are not adjacent angles. These are adjacent angles. Are you followed or not? Yes or no? If I draw another one, AOB and COD, what type of angles? Adjacent angles? Are they adjacent angles? Reason? They don't have a common arm. That's enough. Any one condition doesn't satisfy. That's it. Are you followed? If I draw this way, Neha, listening or what?
Yes.
See, there are angles. How many angles are there? Two angles are there. Which are the name of two angles? AOB and OBC. Okay, are they adjacent angles? Reason? Common vertex is not there. Arm is there common. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, next, below, right. Next heading, right. Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Do you know what I mean by linear pair angles? What about?
Angles that lie on the same line.
Angles lie on the same line. Adjacent angle, two adjacent angles lie on the same line. Mean this way. Adjacent angles lie on the same. Okay. Line. Do you know what is sum of this one? 180 degree. Huh? Look here, these two adjacent angles now, and this is a straight line is coming now. That these angles are called which type of angles? Linear pair angles. You can write two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree is called, below you can write two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. Two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree are called linear pair angles. Sum is 180 degree is called linear pair angles. What is it out?
What are the two angles of any parallel side?
Two angles of
Any parallel.
two angles.
This one are
We will break up now. Okay. Adjacent angle, opposite angle, all this. Okay, we will come to that one. Linear pair angle followed. Okay, so what is the meaning of linear pair angle? Two angles whose sum is equal to two. Which type of angle? Not any two angles. Any two angles whose sum is 180, they are called any two angles of supplementary angles. Here, two adjacent angle whose sum is 180 degree is called linear pair angle. Right? In linear pair angle, non-common arms form a straight line. Linear pair angles, non-common arm form a straight line. Have you seen? Straight line. Non-common arm form a straight line. Followed. Those who are not followed immediately ask. These are basics. I am explaining why this one means later should not be a confusion because most of you people are unable to identify this one. European girls study. Europe is sleeping time. Tired. Not tired, no? Okay. Followed on. Oh. One is school tired. No. Okay now. Okay now. Ariman followed or not? Not following. No, you know what? Who asked you to open the volume? Cheating. Oh, very good. No? Okay. No. Oh. Do you know what is meant by vertically opposite angles? Have you heard about? Who heard? Those who heard about it is like, okay, but you don't know. Or you know? You know what is it all? Who can explain? Tell. One more test. Sorry. Right, getting vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, when two lines intersect at a point, the opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect at a point, the opposite angles formed are called vertically opposite angles. Angles formed are called vertically opposite angles. Huh? That we will later write, okay? Two lines intersect at a point, the opposite angle forms. See? They are called vertically opposite angles. Are you followed or not? Gurpreet, tell one pair of vertically opposite angles. Loudly. Are you vertically means two things, two angles to tell, no? AOD and COD. AOD and BOC. Tell another pair of vertically opposite angle. AOC and BOD. You somebody said common vertex, angle with a common vertex. You said no. Look here. Now I'll show this one. Are they forming vertically opposite angles? No. They are opposite, but they are not vertically. Why? This is not a straight line. If you have to see, this is just straight line. See? Straight line crossing. Are you followed, all of you? Are these vertically opposite angles? No. Are these vertically opposite angles? Yes. Okay, followed. Confusions are there? Please tell. That's way. So, these are, that is nothing to do. There is nothing. You will see sum of all. Time is there now? Don't worry. Oh, yeah. Yes. You start it. Start it fast. Fast. 5 seconds. Oh. Chalo. Understood or not? Vertical. These all properties are coming. These all clear now? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Linear pair angles. All. Now these are the basic concepts. Do you know what you mean by parallel lines? Have you heard about parallel lines? What is the meaning of parallel lines? Opposite to each other. Where is opposite? Side by side. Like this. All of you know shape and all, but we don't. So whatever. In the book we will make this way parallel lines. What is it? Lines which do not intersect. What are called parallel lines? Lines which do not intersect. Right. Parallel lines are. The vertical opposite angles are equal. Yes, that is coming property we are going to write. Okay. Parallel lines. Written. Lines which do not intersect are called parallel lines. Written. Do you know what is the meaning of non-parallel lines? Which are intersecting. How many points they intersect? How many points? How many? Are in non-angles, non-parallel lines. How many? If two lines intersect at how many points?
1 point.
1 point only, no? See, look here. How many points are intersecting? 1. In between, sir. Yeah. So this is called which type of line? Which line? Which of line is this one? Intersecting lines. And if I draw this one, you breathe. When I turn, you do almost thing. These lines are called what type of lines? Parallel lines. Wherever it goes, it will not intersect. Okay, this is intersecting at a point. These are called intersecting lines. They are called the parallel lines. Intersecting lines also known as. So the intersecting lines also known as non-parallel. Parallel lines also known as non-intersecting. Understood or not? So, intersecting, non-intersecting. Non-parallel, parallel. Words do not confuse. Okay, now we are going to write these all basic things. These are the things you have studied in the previous one. Now properties we are going to write. Axiom. AXIOM. Axiom 1. Axiom 1. Axiom A. Axiom 1. Axiom means geometrical properties. We will study in Euclid geometry once again what is axiom and all. These are the geometrical principles, rules. We don't have the proof. Listen. Axiom 1. Written. What happened, Ariman? No problem. Don't worry now. I will write now. First, axiom 1. If a ray stands on a line, if a ray stands on a line, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles, sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. Are you followed? Look here, this way. Just now you think the sum of two adjacent angles is equal to how much? 180 degree. Whenever a line is there, sum of these is. Okay, now next axiom 2. Axiom 2. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms form a line. Have you? Okay. Below write down. Above two axioms are called the linear pair axiom. Above, below next slide. Right? Above two axioms are called linear pair axiom. Above two axioms are called linear pair axiom. Written? No. Write this also, theorem also, then we will stop. Theorem 6.1 or theorem 1. Theorem 1. All right. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Okay. Done. All right. So practice. Sunday you have tested there. Yes or no? Polynomials. Practice and do it. Thank you. Bye bye. Homework means practice. I'm not giving anything. Homework means learn all these properties and talk. What is it?
Monday
So example,
will be